Crisp pineapple, juicy chicken, and a tangy teriyaki glaze combine to create a taste sensation in this quick and easy recipe. Pineapple teriyaki chicken skewers. Begin with 1 pound of chicken breast cut into bite-sized chunks. Add a cup of sweet pineapple chunks. Alternate the chicken and pineapple on your skewers, creating a delightful pattern of savory and sweet. Now it's time for the star of the show. A half cup of teriyaki sauce. Brush this onto your skewers, coating each piece generously. With just 10 minutes of preparation and another 10 to 12 minutes of cooking, these skewers are ready to impress in under half an hour. And the best part? Each serving is a relatively lean 230 calories. So, why wait? Elevate your grill game with pineapple teriyaki chicken skewers. Taste the tantalizing fusion of flavors today.